Hey my lovely foodies, welcome back. If it's still hot where you are, then these will be just right for you. Today in Roma's kitchen, I'll be teaching you how to make some popsicles. These are a blend of mango, pineapple, and banana. We're just gonna put everything in a blender basically. So first thing, I'm going in with 200 grams of mango. This is fresh mango. I just bought it from the store. It's already sliced, so it's just easy for me to add it to the blender. So 100 grams in, another 100 in. I got 2 small packets. Next, I'm going to go in with pineapple, and the pineapple will be about 250 grams of the pineapple. It's already sliced as well. I don't need to peel anything. Then I'm going to add 1 banana. So if you have overripe bananas, do not throw them away. You can use them to make your popsicles. I drank this smoothie when I was in the Philippines the other day and I loved it, so I thought, why not use it to make some popsicles, because I really loved it. So I'm just breaking the banana here. I'm just going to add it in. Then to get everything nice and together, I'm going to add some coconut water. You can add fresh coconut water if that's what you have. I'm so jealous. But I can just get the coconut water like this right now. So I'm adding the whole thing in it, and it's 330 milliliters. Add it all in, blend it, or you don't, even if you don't add all of it, just add a little first and see if you like the consistency. I want this to be runny. So once I have everything in, all I need to do is just turn my blender on, blend it up, and that's basically it. But do not go. If you do not like this combination, I'm going to leave in the description box some other combinations of fruits and stuff that you can blend up to make your popsicles, but I really like this one. So blend this up really nicely. You want this to be very smooth. You do not want chunks of pineapple chunks in your popsicles. So roughly 3 minutes, and then you will be good to go. So for me, these are nice and ready. This is nice and ready, and it's now time for me to transfer this to my popsicle mold. I will leave the link in the description box for this silicone popsicle mold because it makes everything so easy. All I'm going to do is pour the mixture in, and this was right for all 10. This made all 10 perfectly. Well, yes, almost perfectly. But this was good for 10 popsicles, right? So just pour. Try not to make a mess like I did. Do not get these all the way up. Do not fill them all the way up, because if you do, when you're closing it or you're putting it in the freezer, it might spill more. So here I'm just adding everything in. And as I said, if you don't like this combination, I will leave a list of other combinations of fruits that you can use to make your popsicles, so to cool you down in all this heat. This is nice. I love this consistency. It's just right, just perfect. I don't want it to be runny, more runny than this, so this was good. Alright, so I've cleaned my mold. Everything is nice and clean now. So I'm just going to pop the lid on. And then I'm going to add in the popsicle sticks. I will leave the link for everything in the description box. Click the link and you can get it on Amazon. So this is 10 popsicles. So I'm just going to add in the popsicle sticks, and then I'm going to pop these in the freezer. I made these at night, so I'll check on these the next day, but of course you just need to leave these for a few hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours max, and then they'll be ready. So add them in. Ready to place them in the freezer, and voila, here they are. Look how easy it is to remove the popsicles from this silicone popsicle mold. Very simple. So remember, it's better to always have these silicone molds, really easy to use. So I'm just going to pop these, all of them out, and take a picture. Then after I take the picture, I just put them all in one Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer. I just take one every now and then and everything will be airy. But look at how they look. It's so rich and nice. It's naturally sweet. Any smoothie flavors that you love, you can always use those to make popsicles. It's that simple to make popsicles to help to cool you down in this heat. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this super simple recipe. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the nice looking popsicles when you do make them. Until next video.